Hello everyone, I welcome you all in another interesting crafting video. So let's see what we are going to create in today's video. So first of all, I am going to make space scene like this, and this is done. Wonderful. Now let's proceed to the next craft in today's video. So here I am going to make a swan. Crumble the paper like this and then paste it like this, and then color water like this, and this is done. Now let's proceed to the next craft in today's video. For this I am drawing circle on a paper, smaller and bigger circles. Then I am coloring the outline of the circle like this. You can choose multicolors, and then I am coloring a tree, and this is a beautiful Christmas card I'm going to make here. Wonderful. Now let's proceed to the next craft in today's video, which is an elephant playing with bubbles. So color the elephant like this, and then you can use watercolor for coloring these bubbles. Wow, it's looking so beautiful. Now let's proceed to the next craft in today's video, which is a winter season card. For this I have used cardboard to make house, and I have used watercolor for drawing trees. Now I'm decorating it like this, and it is done. Now let's proceed to the next craft in today's video. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. You can utilize your free time and you can create beautiful craft like this. You need paper, you need watercolors, you need crayons, you need any waste product, and you can recycle them, and then you can create beautiful craft out of the waste product. Now let's proceed to the next craft in today's video. For this I have drawn branches on a paper, and then I have used nutshell, and I'm coloring it and making a caterpillar using these shells, and it is done. Wonderful. Now let's proceed to the next craft in today's video. For this I have sprayed color on a paper, and then I have pasted the snowman and Christmas tree and these gifts, and this beautiful Christmas card is ready. Now let's proceed to the next craft in today's video. For this I am drawing these poles on a paper, and I have used nutshells, and with this I have made birds and I have pasted there, and these singing birds are ready. Now let's see what we are going to create this time. So here I am drawing a beautiful girl on a paper, then I am coloring it, and this beautiful girl is ready. You can use any spare bottle, and then you can decorate it by coloring. Like here I have made flower on this bottle. I have colored it like this, and this beautiful bottle lamp is ready. Now take a paper and color it like this. Now make water drop.